Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news bulletin. First, let's have a glimpse of the headlines. Union Cabinet approves Rs 5 lakh health insurance for senior citizens above 70 years. Trap Youth Council protests against Cow Vigilante Group. MLAs hand over Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle under CM Elevate program. Confusion clouds second phase of border talks. Consultative meeting between State Education Commission and district educators held at Jowai. The news in detail. The Cabinet has given its nod to giving health coverage to all senior citizens who are above 70 years, irrespective of income, under Ayushman Bharat PM Jan Arogya Yojana. Briefing the media after the Cabinet meeting on Wednesday in Delhi, Union Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw said this is a significant decision. He said the senior citizens will get the facility of free treatment up to Rs 5 lakh. He highlighted that this will cover about 4.5 crore families in the country and include about 6 crore senior citizens.
आज सबसे बड़ा जो फैसला लिया गया है कैबिनेट में वो है कि 70 इयर्स से ज्यादा के जो हमारे सीनियर सिटीजन्स हैं उनको यूनिवर्सल हेल्थ कवरेज आयुष्मान भारत पीएम जन आरोग्य योजना में कवर करने का फैसला लिया गया है। ये बहुत बड़ा फैसला है। इस फैसले में एक बड़ी मानवतावादी सोच है, बहुत ही एक ह्यूमैनिटेरियन थिंकिंग है और माननीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी ने जो कमिटमेंट दिया था वो कमिटमेंट आज डिलीवर किया है, उस कमिटमेंट को फुलफिल किया। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि 70 वर्ष की आयु के ऊपर के हर बुजुर्ग को आयुष्मान योजना के दायरे में लाया जाएगा और 70 साल के ऊपर के हर बुजुर्ग, चाहे वो गरीब हो, चाहे मध्यम वर्ग के हो, चाहे उच्च मध्यम वर्ग के हो, ये नया दायरा होगा जिनको 5 लाख रुपए तक के मुफ्त इलाज की सुविधा मिलेगी।
The Hinyao Trap Youth Council HYC today issued a warning to the Meghalaya government, threatening to organize a beef eating festival if permission is granted for a rally led by Brahmachari Mukundananji Maharaj. The HYC claimed that the proposed rally, aimed at demanding the cows to be declared the mother of the nation and calling for an immediate ban on cow slaughter, has stirred controversy. As news of the press conference spread, HYC members led by President Roy Kupar Sindram gathered outside the Shillong Press Club, displaying placards in protest against the Cow Vigilante group. The group said they could not hold press conference due to lack of permission from the Shillong Press Club.
Our message is very clear. Do not come and dictate terms on us. We will eat whatever we want. We don't dictate terms on you, so don't dictate terms on us. And the second thing, and the second message, a very clear message, is that no such rally will be allowed from our side to be held in the city of Shillong or in Meghalaya. And we also want the government of Meghalaya not to give permission to such a rally, because if such kind of rally are allowed, it will create disharmony among the people, the various communities of various religions staying in the state of Meghalaya.
In a significant step towards boosting agricultural productivity in the region, Maushandrut MLA Methodius Dakhar and MLA of Rambrai Jerngam RG Momin today handed over a prime agriculture response vehicle under the CM Elevate program. Speaking on the occasion, MLA Methodius Dakhar emphasized the importance of modernizing agriculture and providing farmers with the necessary tools and resources. He said that the Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle would play a crucial role in transforming the agricultural landscape of Maushandrut and surrounding areas. The Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle is designed to provide essential agricultural services directly to the farmers in rural areas and to ease transportation of agricultural products from the region.
Nama kibun scheme ki bazan ki department bokhe broker memang tablok Namba agriculture department, namba veterinary department, namba fishery department, namba kibai department kibai ham bagi nongso nong jong kene ketong bacong kene keseka. Ini kasus ini pada nama wakusin kini skim begini kita appointment ka plan kalau makin voice yang kini nongso nong kibari topan lagi. Terus soal baca kini media, soal baca kini nong yaram pelai begini di kubur sekolah Jakarta kan yaram pelai sim dan kini nongso nong kini objektif kita pun kini kita facilities dan kini kita jingeram lagi yang coba mana kui kini nongso nong kira.
Confusion prevails amongst the members of the West Khasi Hills Regional Committees on Boundary Dispute and the state government as far as Assam and Meghalaya second phase talks are concerned, hinting towards lack of coordination and communication between the two. The state government is awaiting submission of reports by the regional committees, which will lapse on the 30th of September 2024. Speaking to the media, HSPDP Chief KP Panyang, who is a member of the West Khasi Hills Regional Committee, today said that the report is not ready and they are waiting for the talks to resume to begin the process.
We know that each district, those who have disputed sector, the government has already notified the numbers, the members of each regional committees. So hopefully, and we believe that since the party has personally met the chief minister, it is 3 weeks back, we went and meet personally. He has promised that after the winter, the autumn session is over, then they will start the talk. They will resume the talk. So I hope that they will do the needful. And if the talk will not resume in these coming days, then again the party will go and remind the government.
A consultative meeting was held yesterday at Gyeongnam Government College Auditorium, Juai, chaired by State Education Commissioner Professor S.M. Singh, along with advisors Professor David R. Aimley, Tony T.C. Marak. The meeting brought together principals of schools, high secondary schools and colleges across East and West Jaintia Hills district to discuss the various issues and challenges faced by the educational institutions. During the meeting, the chairperson Professor S.M. Singh stated that the purpose of the visit was to assess the current educational scenario in this district and to gather information that would help the Commission make recommendations to the government.
Its purpose is to find out and assess the situation that we are having here in the state of Meghalaya with respect to education. So I'm sure your presentation and the status that you're going to present to us will be beneficial for us in putting up our recommendations to the government of Meghalaya with regards to the implementation of the new program which relates to the NEP 2020. But I'm sure these challenges can be solved and maybe through the deliberations and the discussions that we're going to have.
The Dorbarsh Nang Nyangbari Them held a meeting today with Nongpo MLA Miralbon at the village premises in the presence of Nongpo MDC Balajit Rani, village elders and local youth to discuss pressing needs and challenges faced by the community. MLA Miralbon's aim announced the issuance of a work order worth ₹2 lakh for the construction of a new clubhouse funded under the SRWP scheme for 2023 to 2024. MDC Balajit Rani contributed to the village development by presenting an amplifier and horn, enhancing the village's communication capabilities.
Nilayo ban note hangne ya gijikran nagalian ke sports club akabadi bagijing kam kabadi ber club house akaba mandagasgi giwan ru hangne kedi nakabanta beginiyo ban IT ya ka wakordar nakabanta ban cenai keni ke club house ke club ya ka bangilai kran adu snem arajar arpo ar ladang ambaklah akaba bersegi giwan ban pendep ya keni ke kam dari ndakadau hagijigide ber club keni koi bat koi kedi ya ka tuka mesin utlang pipan ni ketu mesin utlang ketu bro ngin saai pi nak menok halakalan wan jenong po wan chau barong ka ora te kampat poi ketiar ta kadau yo orang aban ora mendekas gi digi artli gimat ki bana galiang do sport club.
Following the recent departure of Ribhoi District Congress Committee President and Mauhati MLA Charles Marngar, along with Umsning MLA Dr. Celestine Lingdo, who both joined NPP, the Ribhoi District Congress Committee RBDCC yesterday convened a meeting at Raindrop Conference Hall in Sidon. During this meeting, new office bearers for the Congress Party in Ribhoi District were elected. The newly elected office bearers of the RBDCC included the President, M.G. Kharshanlor, Working President G.S. Shadap, Senior Advisor Stanley Wis Rimbai, Advisor Adrian Khan Milimngap, Vice Presidents Rocky Marwen, Prang Sinkli, Reverend P.W. Pnar, Shalwis Malai, General Secretary, Defender S. Lamari and others.
Ki angut ki nomi khmat kina yalam jongka Parti Kongres na po Ribhoi District kata kalong iba Charles Marngar bolong Presiden jongka Ribhoi District Committee angkat bat Dr. Celestine Lingdo kilami no na Parti Kongres men penyesuai ila dia bat ke Parti NPP harangkat bat kejingdan lang di ba Gabriel Walang bolong MLA jongka Yongstone ke nakaliang jongka Ribhoi District Congress Committee hadin jongki perkat bersani ba nang ba jongki katukan ni liki tayo perkat bengai puson kumno ba incline Parti halor ke jingduno jongi ya Presiden barang ba jong ke distrik kelayo ya karai mentakasi bansim eksenjam banjet yakinong mikmat yakinong yalam batmai jong Parti Kongres kentup nadu Presiden Working President Vice President General Secretary badbara kinong tikam jong ke Parti Kongres hapo Ribhoi District.
The Rangba Ashnongs of villages under Mausanram block yesterday held a meeting at Mausanram and decided to revamp the Kasanjuk Kikli Nongsinshar Shnong Mausanram block with an objective to fight for development in Mausanram area and the demand for upgradation of Mausanram CNRD block into a civil subdivision is the main agenda. Speaking to the media, Hyambor Rapsang, chairman of Kasanjuk Kikli Nongsinshar Shnong Mausanram block, expressed regret about the unfair treatment of successive state governments towards the people of Mausanram. This comes to wake when the Khasi Students Union continues with its agitation programs demanding upgradation of the Mausanram CNRD block into a civil subdivision.
Bat kani keji keduk lang ngejongi hadin bagilai keren sani jai kita keji kelong mitba min haban mi madano dangi ki klit no sisa ban pen sngau syaka sorga bakala dei kapor ba dei ban pen urang no ya ketika jing anglut kejongi ka sorga ka don ya ketika polisi ban penjan ya ketika administration syakinong gendong ban syau bai ba ya kata mi dawa bas ngau ha warano ya kata ka kumbakila clay ya kita gigintian ban penjan berbor ya ki program juga sorga bat ngi ki pajba nong bendong.
The Dorbar Shnong of Nongpo held a meeting today with the officer in charge M.R. Marak of the Nongpo police station to address issues related to drug abuse, theft and other local concerns. Speaking to the media, Rangba Shnong of Nongpo, Sylvester Minsong, highlighted discussions on enhancing night patrolling and addressing concerns about unused vehicles parked in service lanes. He expressed satisfaction with the Nongpo police station's commitment to supporting these initiatives. Officer in charge M.R. Marak confirmed that night patrolling has been implemented and has already led to several arrests.
Regarding this, we have taken some steps, like we have started our foot patrollings at night, whole night. There will be a party who will be patrolling the whole Nongpo town, till the DC office, all these areas. And we have night mobile patrolling on the highway as well as on the town areas. They will be on the move at night. Like our patrolling party, we have evening patrolling and whole night, again other patrolling. Besides our police station patrolling, we have this traffic branch also. They will also go for night mobile patrolling. So these are the preventive measures that we are taking to prevent all the crimes that is happening in our area.
The Akhil Bhartiya Vidyarthi Parishad ABVP Shillong today organized the prestigious U Tirat Singh Best Student Award 2024 at U Sosotham Auditorium Shillong. Pabitra Margarita, Union Minister of State for External Affairs and Textiles, attended the program as chief guest. Over 150 school toppers in SSLC and HSSLC examinations 2024 were facilitated during the program. The event not only celebrated the academic achievements of the students but also honored the legacy of U Tirat Singh's aim, a revered freedom fighter of Meghalaya, whose values of bravery, leadership and service continue to inspire generations. Five highway robbers have been apprehended by the public after they robbed a truck parked near the road in Umnget by using an auto rickshaw. The truck driver managed to escape from the robbery, and with the help of the residents, the robbers were apprehended at Quinine under NH6 in Ribhoi. The truck bearing registration number AS01GC3086 was driven by Tutade, 28 years, from Tripura, who narrated that the robbers robbed him while he was cooking on the roadside where the truck is parked. The police have registered a case in connection with the incident and an investigation is underway. And now the weather report. Maximum temperature recorded today was 26.8 degrees Celsius, while minimum temperature was recorded at 16.5 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 60%, which has risen to 67% in the evening. There was no rainfall recorded today. Forecast: light to moderate rain and thundershower is very likely to occur at most places. Before winding up this news bulletin, here's a short recap. Union Cabinet approves Rs 5 lakh health insurance for senior citizens above 70 years. Hinyao Trap Youth Council protests against Cow Vigilante Group. MLAs hand over Prime Agriculture Response Vehicle under CM Elevate program. Confusion clouds second phase of border talks. And consultative meeting between State Education Commission and district educators held at Jowai. And dear viewers, that's all we have for you today. Do tune in again with us tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thanks for watching. Good night.